Hey, so what we're going to walk you through here is how to access the material for the seventh grade accelerated math, also known as the eighth grade math curriculum here. So it is pre-algebra, so it's all about getting you ready for Algebra 1 the following year. So what I'm going to do here is get to the GMS Learn page. Um, you should have your schedule. You're going to find your math class. I've got an assortment to choose from, so I'm going to select this one right here. The main thing here is I'm trying to get to the math videos. So if you've got a different way to get to math videos, that's fine. But yeah, certainly this is what I've been using and you've been using. So by clicking on the math videos, it's going to bring up everything like normal. Now, what we're going to end up doing here, though, is we're going over to the libraries. We're going over the math documents. And what we want to do is some sorting. So we're going to sort by the class, which is the pre-algebra class. The teacher that we're going to select is we are going to select Demich. And to get you started here, we're just going to kind of go through order here. And so we're going to start with Unit 1. And by doing that, the material in which we are really after is this Unit 1 video notes and classwork. So by selecting that is you are getting Unit 1. So this is the material. You can see how things are broken down. Unit 1, Section 1, and then there's a Part A, a Part B, a Part C, working your way on down to the page there. So yeah, this is your textbook. So this is just for Unit 1 and everything is there so you can kind of skim over things and simply select on areas that you would like to work on or just simply go chronological right through it. So what I'm going to end up doing here is going now to the math videos. So again, I'm going to get to my GMS Learn page. I'm going to click on my math class. I'm going to click on my math videos just like normal. And this time I'm going to end up still choosing pre-algebra. I'm still going to choose Stemage. And I'm still going to select Unit 1. And what you're going to see here is you can see all those same things, 1.1, A, 1.1b, 1.1c, d. There's a 1.2a, 1. So, and if we look at a lot of these comments here at the beginning, equations with variables on both sides, that is something that is covered in the sixth grade accelerated curriculum. Multi-step equations, that's there. Fractions with equations that are there. Simplifying expressions. So again, certainly a good way of kind of previewing what's going to be having going on because it is going to pull from previous material at the beginning of the school year and also getting into the good stuff as well too. If you would like, there are Monahan also has a whole bunch of videos that are here as well too. So if you find something that is missing on one teacher's, you can select another teacher's that's there. And maybe you just want to hear a different voice as well too. You can certainly do that. But yeah, that's the best way of going through it is getting through that GMS Learn page, going over to those math documents and doing your sorting. And then, yeah, you can move on to the next one if that's all good for you. And you just want to start off in Unit 2, then select everything on Unit 2, and there you go. Unit 2 video notes and classwork. You can open that up, and then there you go. There's your table of contents that you're dealing with. Let me know if you've got any questions.